Hello friends, welcome back again. Today's video we will learn about the star delta control. How we can make the star delta control in LSPLC. It's very simple and easy method. We will open our XG5000 software and here simply we will take our first input. An example I will take, that's IX0 for an example. This is my start button for my motor control of the start data, and next we will be take one output. We take the address to him QX0 an example. This is our main contactor, and secondly we will take one. Here we will make the branch, and next we will take one timer here. Can click it here, TON when you type. After you will be get the on delay timer. Click OK, and next one we will be take the internal memory relay MX10 for an example. Any number you can choose, that's nothing issue. MX10, and make it line here. Here you can make it line, and this line we can draw, or if you know like to be draw, you can take the star contactor. For an example, we need the QX1 needs our star contactor, and one more line we will be draw downside, and we will make look like, and next we will be draw for the QX2 for example. This will be our main contactor, and this will be our star contactor, and this will be our used for delta contactor. And here we will be take one holding contact of the QX0, because of when we make the push the button IX0, our system needs to be hold, and after when like to be stop the system, we will take the one close contact and place it here, and this number we will give IX1 for an example. So when we push IX0, our system will be start. When we push our IX1, system will be stop. And here next we will be take one open contact of the MX10, because of when we start the button, when our time will be completed, our QX1 need to be close and our QX2 needs to be start. So what we will do here, we will make the one open contact for the MX10, and here we will be need the close contact of the QX2. It is QX2, because of when this QX1 will be on, and after when this will be stop and this will be on. This is same look like any interlock, and this needs to be directly on. When QX0 needs to be on, this also need to be on, but only we have to be make the interlock with the QX1 and QX2, because one only needs to be on. So MX10, when time will be completed, our MX10 will be on, and after QX2 will be on. And here we will be time fix for the our timer. If you like to take the set point make from the HMI, you can put the data register. If you know like to be direct like to put the time, you can put a time it here, right in the time hatch. For an example 5s, if you 5 seconds, you can type the 5 seconds. Okay, and let's try. We will download this program into the PLC and check our program. Click yes, again click OK and make it monitor. And now we will click give signal at the IX0. Now you can see IX0 is QX0 is on and QX1 is on, and as this 5 seconds are completed, QX1 will be stopped and QX2 is now on, and as we give the signal at IX1, our system will be stopped, right? You can see again I will press the IX0. You can see this is now star and main contactor is running, and now star contactor is stopped and delta contactor is running. And if you like to be change this time of the delta, you can change this time, stop, and after again write, or otherwise you can write it here data register MW10. For example, I will write MD10, we will be type plus, and again write it into the PLC. Click OK, click OK. If you like to fix time, you can fix the time. If you like to be changeable time, you can type the data register. Now you can see there is a 0 second times. For an example, how much time we like to be write it here, we have to be write here, for example 5 seconds, and click enter, and 5 seconds will be ready. I will press IX0. You can see now time is running. No, sorry, this is the milliseconds we write. We have to be type the seconds in time. If you remove the S, after it will be type 5 seconds. See, now this is the 5 seconds after change his contact, and if you like to change this time up to 10 seconds, you can write it here the 10 seconds and click OK, and again press the IX0. Now time will be, contact will be changed after 10 seconds. See, now 10, right? So this way you can design your star delta control in the PLC. So hope guys you will be understand about the star delta control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.